What's good with y'all? What's good, man? We tuned in for another video. Y'all see we're going in on Dolo today. Hood off. Got it jacked up on 4 jack stands. Today Rick's supposed to be coming through. See what we got going on. And today I got the cross member out. We about to see if this thing gonna work. Hopefully it works, man. I hope this thing works. So we about to see if it works. And I forgot I had the drive shaft. I'm about to show y'all now. I got the transmission chart and it's on the money. So I got the drive shaft under here already. I had it in the back of Big Meats, and it's a drive shaft for 400. And I can tell you right now, it ain't gonna work. All these spider wheels. Get y'all. Happy feet. Boy, I finna zone them spiders out. But anyway, alright. But I can already tell you, I know it's not gonna work. Cause I just know. But I'm gonna try it just to show y'all. But I think I got somebody that need this. I was gonna keep the drive shaft, man, but in case I ever went to a 400. But I'm not gonna keep it. So I might give it to my boy, man. He need it. He doing a dump. And said he need it, so got it laid out. I can tell y'all already. Look at this. It won't even reach. It's too short. We ain't even gotta pick it up. Cause they about where to sit going in transmission. And if I pick it up, look at them. Be way too short. So I'm even trying that. So I'm about to get up on here, try to cross member out. Show y'all how the curve cross member sin. See, this side right here will bolt up. But that's the side that's off. I'm talking about all the way off. So the other spot the bolt cross member up is right here. You know, these cars always have 2 sets of holes that bolt cross member up, which would be way off here, way up here. So I'm gonna try this old cross member out. Jack it up, got the jack it up, and we're gonna see what happens. Alright, so we're checking in, y'all. See my boy Rick done made over here, checking the wiring out, trying to get power to the car. Said y'all know I don't like doing the knick-knack stuff, so we waiting on the headers to come in. But on everything else, we rolling with it. It's a lot of wiring, man. The electric fan, fuel pumps, and that little stuff. So Rick made it, cut over here. And I'm on here messing with this cross member. So what I came up with, I tried this one. It's too wide. And the humps right here, the humps here in the top of the car, so it won't work. So I'm gonna take that back to my boy David. I took this one out of Big Meat trunk just to try it, see if I flipped it another way would it work. Cause it's a cross member for a 400. It don't work. So I got the cross member in here that came with the car. And this side right here completely bolt up. It line up. Now this side, one of the holes, I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, so this side right here, these 2 bolt holes line up. So I had to push it forward, and I got a bolt in this bolt hole, and this one just right there in the blank area. Now if I can mark what it said, I can drill a new hole in there and it'll bolt up right like it's supposed to. But I can't see where I need to drill it, so I don't know, but it can be figured out. So I'm gonna let it ride right there. I'm gonna bolt it down. I have 1 right here for right now and 2 inside, and we're gonna move forward, so just stay tuned. Got the cross member in. Like I said, these two sides. This side bolted down. Then we got. Let me see if I can slide over this. Really show y'all what we got. Yeah. So y'all see that? So this bolt right here is bolted in this right here. Bolted in the last hole. And this hole right here sitting somewhere up in here. That's why I said if I knew where to drill. It got to go through the frame completely, then I could make it work and put a bolt in there the right way. But I can't see what to drill. Like, ain't no way to mark it either. Now, see, if you could drill from the top, then you know you'll come through in the right spot. But it ain't no way to do it. So I'm gonna have it welded right there, which is cool. I mean, probably a ride like this wouldn't be no problem, but it'll be alright. So the drive shaft thing, I got it figured out. I said I was gonna let my partner have it, but now I'm gonna have to use it. So what I'm gonna do is the same thing we did with Dolo. I mean, not Dolo, Meats. But y'all see it'll be sitting back there in the back. I already knew it was gonna be too short, which it is, just by a little bit. Y'all see it too short by a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is change the yoke. I'm gonna order that same yoke I had got for Big Meats and put the extended yoke on it and have it the right length or whatever. So that drive shaft problem fixed, so that's a piece of mind. So I'm gonna get on that. I'm gonna change the U-joints, of course. I'm gonna put some good U-joints in the back, and I'm gonna have to change them in the front, of course, cause I'm putting new yoke on. So I'm gonna get this measure, and we're gonna put the yoke on there, and then like I said, drive shaft probably be straighten out. So I'm finna pop this in and get it measured, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, so we checking in. I got the drive shaft in here, so this is the plan for the drive shaft. I bolted up in there, measured and all that. And it's this one right here, 51.5 inches from end to the tip of the yoke. So I'm gonna get that yoke, and it need to be about 51.5, between 53.5. Nah, really 54, between 54 and 55 inches from end to end. It'll work out perfect. So we got the cross member parts situated and all of that. We got that part kind of situated. I mean, it's sitting down in there. Got Rick working on the wire. What we're coming up with on the wire.
Man, we're trying to sort them all up, trying to see what it wet right now.
Yeah, y'all, cause it was terrible, man. Like, they really can be cut down. I don't know why it was like that. They so long and all that. I don't know why it wired up like that. So getting the you find out what's what, getting the power and stuff situated. Basically, y'all, I want to get this thing down to all we're gonna have to do is pop the headers on. I mean, which then the fuel pump. That's why I went ahead and sit on jack stand too, y'all. I gotta mount the fuel pump. And somebody, y'all talking about the mounting the fuel pump. I don't remember if I talked about this in the vlog or not. I do know about mounting fuel pump. They supposed to be work off the gravity, but with these cars, man, it's nowhere safe. I think I have said this in the vlog, but I'm saying it again. It's nowhere safe to put electric fuel pump on these cars. So you have to. And I mean, I have never burned up a Holly Blue. I got one sitting in there now. I got to give it up. My boy Steve Davis. Y'all know him. Go check out the YouTube channel. I got one in there holding for him. I got to give it to him. That came off of Meats. That lasted for 9 years. Well, however long the car been gone. Let me see. I sold it in 2011. I got it back in 2008. Well, it's 2020 now. The fuel pump ran for 9 years, just like it was. So it's not necessarily gonna hurt nothing, man. I mean, I guess if you ain't got the right gauge wire and all that stuff, then you might have a problem. But it's nowhere safe to mount those fuel pumps on these cars without debris hitting it, or you risking something or knocking the pump loose or whatever, molding on the front. It's just not safe. It's not safe. So it is what it is. That's the best location. That's where it's gonna go. So I'll probably go ahead and get that mounted since I got Rico here and Cuzzo. Somebody can hold the bolts and I can go up on there. At least mount it up. So I think that's what I'm about to do next. I'm gonna go get one of the fuel pumps out and then go ahead and get it mounted up. Drill some holes first, then put the bolts in there. We'll tighten it down. So y'all stay tuned. All right, so y'all check this out. That's why I said Rick right. We got power. We got power. Rick figured that junk out quick. So now we got power. The lights on in the front, cuz so we don't have no lights at all. Yeah, we ain't got no lights at all. So I don't know if the bulbs bad in it or what. Cause we ain't got none in the dash right here. None of that, y'all. So we ain't got nothing. So I don't know. So we gonna figure that out. Cause I don't know, we ain't got no light. And I don't know if I know all the light bulbs ain't blowed, I don't know. So we gonna, I don't know, we gonna figure it out. Y'all, so stay tuned. Alright, so we checking in, y'all. Know it kinda close, but I'm upside down, but see the fuel pump mounted up there. Just gotta take the line off the tank right here. And then run it right here. So this line right here, that line right there gotta run right here, and then run a new hose right there to the factory line. So I just gotta cut a little piece of hose and put 2 clamps on it, and boom boom, wire it up, ground it. I'm gonna find a good ground on the hill, then run a power wire out there, and then it'll be that. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, so we checking in, y'all. Rich still on the wire, man. We got an issue. We can't figure out what's going on. He got this straightened out up here. As y'all heard, he got this straightened out. Got fire to the starter. But the car had a alarm system on it. So, I mean, he don't know what's going on. I mean, he tracing it and been on it the whole time. Because ain't no power. We ain't got no power to the lights, no power to nothing inside the car, basically. But the key hot to the starter. So he tracing, and it's power going to the fuse box too. So we trying to find out what's going on and, you know, clean up on the hill. It was a mess right there. We took that loose. I don't know, man. We just trying to tidy up. Cause I mean, that's the thing, man. When you going behind others and stuff, I mean, you have to figure out the way they had and all that, and tidy up. Like I had to do meets today, kind of tidy work and stuff, wires and stuff hanging. So you trying to get that figured out first. I mean, really could move forward with the engine and all that cranking, but we ain't got no lights, no headlights. I done checked the bulbs. The bulbs are good. I don't know, man. So we trying to figure this out, but y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, checking in. Look at this. This is a mess, man. That is a nightmare right there. And it's affecting something, the wiring and stuff, called. Oh man. It ugly. It ugly. Can't move forward until we get this straightened out. That's the problem I hate to have, man, a wiring issue. I never wanted a wiring issue. And that's exactly what I got right now. So, I mean, we wrapped up today. Said we got the fire to the start and stuff though. So that's a good thing. Got the fuel pump mounted. Cross member bolted down. Got the Driveshaft thing figured out. Got to go in there and order some stuff. And yeah, the headers and stuff simple. I mean, what are we lacking? We're gonna have to put the radiator in. Wire out the electric fan. This stuff. That's the major problem right there. Y'all got to get the wire stuff figured out. So see why this thing ain't got no power to the inside. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the day. But we're gonna get it figured out. We'll get it figured out. Get everything straight and all that. Get some oil pressure soon. So man, appreciate Cuzzo coming through. Y'all make sure to follow his channel. Appreciate Rick always, you know, coming through doing the thing. Y'all make sure to subscribe to Rick's channel. Both of their channels on the screen right now, man. Y'all go subscribe and all that. And yeah, man, that's it. We'll catch y'all on that video. I'm out.